Good afternoon, this is Rich, and the markets ended up mostly green numbers here at the close today. Despite a lower trade much of the evening last night, we were able to pop back and try to trade on the higher side at least into the close this afternoon. Tomorrow morning we've got the big September 1 grain stocks report, and certainly that'll potentially be a market mover for us. Also, the dollar, crude oil continue to be market movers for us, whether we like it or not. We keep watching those markets out of the corner of our eye every day, and those continue to be movers. Here at the close tonight, we did have D's corn up 1 3/4 cents at 632.5. March corn up 1 3/4, 645 3/4. Next December corn up 2 1/4 at 583.5. November soybeans up 6 1/2 at 13.20, or excuse me, $12.30. January beans up 5 3/4 at 12.41 1/4. November 12 beans up 8 cents at 12.39 1/2. The cotton posted a strong day, closed at 269 higher on the December contract at 102.22. We had D's Chicago wheat up 15 1/2 at 654 1/4. July Chicago up 13 1/4 at 705. Kansas City December up 13 1/4 at 740. Kansas City July up 11 1/2 at 759 1/2. Minneapolis December up 34 1/4 at 895 1/2. That's the leader of the day here. And Minneapolis March wheat up 21 1/4 at 853. And in tonight's outlook, I showed a chart. The December, we talked a little bit about the D's March spread now inverting over 30 cents, over 40 cents, with December that much above the March contract. So shows you the demand that's there for the spot wheat. Also shows the spread between wheat and or Minneapolis wheat and Chicago wheat, now over $2 a bushel compared to zero basically at the beginning of the year. So big demand here for that Minneapolis wheat. Hope everyone has a good evening. If you get our market call, I'll put a call out tomorrow morning after we get that stocks report, and we'll see what happens. Have a good evening.